Cottage cheese is everywhere right now, and if you've been wondering how to actually use it, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into some easy tips, some common mistakes, and some creative ways to make cottage cheese a go-to in your kitchen. But let's clear up a few things first. Cottage cheese isn't just a diet food, it's packed with protein and way more versatile than people give it credit for. It's not supposed to taste bland. The kind you buy and how you season it makes a huge difference. Every brand tastes a little bit different, some are saltier, some are tangier, so it's worth trying a few to find your favorite. Small cuts tend to be creamier and less chunky, which is perfect if you're texture sensitive. Speaking of texture, the most underrated cottage cheese tip of all time, try blending it first. Trust me, it turns silky smooth and makes an almost identical swap for things like sour cream or ricotta. Cottage cheese likes the cold, so keep it tucked away in the coldest part of your fridge, which means not the door. And once it's open, try to use it within a week. And you're definitely not limited to just scooping it out of the container. Try blending it into smoothies for a boost of protein, stir it into sauces, dressings, or even your morning eggs to make them extra creamy. You can sneak it into waffles, bagels, or even muffins for added moisture and protein. Now, if you're looking for recipe inspiration, we've got a whole library of high protein recipes that sneak cottage cheese into everything from breakfast to dinners to dips. But if you want something new to try for today, here's one of my favorites: a whipped cottage cheese herb dip. It's quick, high protein, and so addictive. Just mix blended cottage cheese with a splash of lemon juice, a drizzle of olive oil, and a handful of fresh herbs like chives, dill, or parsley. It turns into this light, creamy dip that's perfect with crunchy veggies or crackers. So whether you blend it, bake with it, or turn it into your new favorite snack, now you know how to use cottage cheese the right way. Let us know in the comments what ingredient you want to see next, and don't forget to follow Noom.